Hello everyone, my name is Panithan Rithburi. Today I will present project number 3 about NETPIE. So the objective of this project is to bring up the data, temperature sensor, temperature from ESP32 and upload to the NETPIE and show on mobile phone. So I will explain the code first. Here is just one of my another code. Just only focus on how to connect NetPie. So the first, what we need in NetPie is we need to include this library, PubSub client, and of this is you need to create the device right here on NetPie. You can see we have client ID, token, and secret. All of these are the secret code to make sure that NetPie can connect to our board. Here is just MQTT server broker.netpie.io. This is the constant name, what did you say? This is the only server we will connect, and this is my port 1883, and this is normal setup for temperature sensor. This is the float for keep the information about temperature sensor. This one you need to activate this one to PubSub client and call the ESP client, which is here. And this one is the function for reconnect. So it will reconnect to the NetPie every single time if it fails. So let's start with the beginning of the voice setup. Here is just the simple start for Wi-Fi. It's just, as you can see here, just if Wi-Fi.begin. If it's connect, it go out to the loop. And this is the normal for this is for temperature sensor. Asking temperature from temperature sensor. Here is the void loop. Here you see client dot connect. So that means you need to connect to the client first, which is a NetPie. Temperature sensor, you just dot him this one and dot read temperature sensor. You will get temperature sensor. This one is just another variable store string called plate. This is variable place store nectic string. So this one is just another. It's just the example of the code how to connect the NetPie, but your objective is so here. No, not this one. This one is the code Project3. So I use the old code from Project 2 and modify some code. For example, here, for example, here in function print message, I add the NetPie. I add like client.publish shadow data update MSG. So it will send the data to the NetPie. As you can see here, it's working. This is the JSON form. And here is just the NetPie dashboard. All this is my client ID token secret. You can see it received the data. This is my schema. And here is my freeboard NetPie. You can see it's received the data from shadow either as same as in my phone. That is the end of presentation.